Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In our previous video, we were talking about pivot tables. We have learned how to create a simple pivot table. In case if you haven't watched that video, then please watch it. I'm pasting the link in the description section, as well as you can watch the video by clicking the I button, which is getting displayed above. In today's video, we are going to continue our journey of learning with pivot tables. We are going to learn 4 different things that you need to know while using the pivot table. So without much delay, let's jump in and learn those things. The first thing that we are going to learn is how to change the view of pivot table fields. You see pivot table fields here, and this is one of the views that is available. And how to change this view? Just go here to tools, click the drop down button. You see different views that are available here, right? Click the one that you want to choose and the view of pivot table fields changes accordingly. How you can remove this? Just go and click close. If you want to get that again, click anywhere on the pivot table, right click, click show field list. The second thing that we are going to learn is how to get the details behind these numbers. So the process is very simple. You just need to double click on any of the cell to get the details behind that number. For example, if I want to get the details behind 796, I just double click and here I get what are the transactions or what are the lines that are driving that number. The third thing that we are going to learn is how to use the same field for different purposes. For example, if you click on the pivot table and if you observe in the values section, we have sum of Citibank. So with the same field, let us try to get the percentage numbers. I can drag down the same field again. So now you have 2 columns which gives the same number. So that is not something that we need, right? So click on this drop down, go to value field setting. Here you see 2 tabs, summarize values by and show values as. Let's click on show values as. Right now you see no calculation option is selected. Change it to either percentage of grand total or percentage of column total or percentage of row total, depending on the requirement you have. For this example purpose, let's select percentage of column total and click OK. Now you can see percentage number got generated. So now the last thing that we are going to learn today is if row labels are not repeated, then how can we add a repeating row labels? So to do that, let's change a bit to this pivot table. Let me drag down the year to row section and go to pivot table design. Change the layout to tabular form. Now if you see column A, year 2019 or 2020 or 2021, it is repeated only once. So how can we have 2019 for all these rows which are related to 2019? To do that, select the column, go to design, go to report layout and click repeat all item label. If I click that, 2019 starts appearing in all relevant rows. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video and learned few things. Let's learn some more things about pivot table in our next video. Until then, happy learning.